Kaseng BJP yang mengklayakan setiap kerteng yang kertong banyak kun hak election 2024 sehingga dorbar Lok Sabha kementai ke artli kisuki na Meghalaya ong menteri ketenat animal husbandry ke sarkar Meghalaya bad ubalong ru unong yalam kaseng BJP uba Alexander Lalu Hek uba Hek ula ang bagi BJP kedai kaseng National Party bad kedai yaka bantep kerteng na Meghalaya Henry yaka rai bakado pat ansashim da kaseng kami na Delhi. Laban kedau bahagi ni kendiat sengi baladap ha kajing yalang ke United Democratic Party kabadai kad khot jong sarkar senrop MDA layak keren sepang kajing ajing mut babarok kising san pertegi badan ha sarkar senrop kin ai jing kershan ya ukertong monlang ha kani ke election banwan sakiyang dorbar Lok Sabha.
High Command will decide, but they will set up their own candidate. But the High Command will decide.
So, set up one candidate.
Of course, BJP is a national party. They should have their own candidate only. They will decide, but the High Command, national leaders will decide.